Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is anong araw today? Today is Sunday. What's the date?
It's Monday.
Oh, it's Monday. Yeah, today's Monday guys. Hindi ko na alam yung araw. It's because it's holiday dito sa Denmark.
Sorry, product placement. Super, one of the most famous beer in Denmark.
Yeah, at dahil day off ko, inom tayo nito. My God, I'm so excited guys. I just have to show you the food that I ordered, and I let my husband pick it up for me because he's such a nice husband. This is my favorite food of all. Like in the first time ko, ipakita ko muna sa inyo ha. This one,
Oh, spring rolls. Yes,
spring
please.
rolls. Actually, itong spring rolls, para to sa kanya kasi hindi siya kumakain ng sushi. So, yeah.
Hate sushi.
Oh, but it tastes good. But anyway, I bought one for him, so he'll be happy, you know?
Where's the chili sauce?
I actually
Say
don't
they
know.
came with chili sauce.
Oh, there is. Yeah, this is the partner. Ito yung food ni Martin. Put natin dito. And then mine, it's because I've been craving for sushi for, I think, for 3 days now. And, you know, and today, I really need to eat sushi. Like, ito talaga yung parang favorite food ko of all. Medyo mahal siya, guys. Pero, sometimes, it's okay to buy, you know, things that you really love and it will make you happy. Yung nabayaran ko is ganito natin siya. 300. Kita ba? No, I don't think it's kita. It's there. 317 kroner. Pero yung sushi nito is only 259. The rest ay yung sa, ano, ang tawag nito, yung sa
Because it took a long
spring
time to
rolls.
pick it up.
Is
Then
it?
you become a little soggy.
Oh, that's not so nice. So, spring rolls kang Martin. Pero I don't think I can eat it all at once kasi ang dami niya. It is actually, how many pieces? 35? 35 pieces of sushi. Tapos, yun na ba? So, ito muna. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my God! Ang sarap! This is the second time actually na nag-order ako doon. And, yeah, it tastes good.
No?
No, this is the a third time! Oo, pero sa menu
This
na to,
month alone.
pero sa menu na to, it's the second time. The lax something. Anyway, ito yung kasama niya. Short story, when I first tasted sushi, it was in the Philippines a very long time ago and I didn't really like it. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit yung mga tao, bakit gusto nila, ganyan. But then, the more I've been eating sushi, the more na parang na-acquire mo yung taste. So, you start to like it. And this one, it's like, favorite ko na siya. And the next,
I'm still waiting for my taste to acquire to you.
it's because you're not eating. That's why. You
No,
don't.
to you.
To me. So anyway, may palibre sila na raya chips, shrimp chips.
Awesome.
But actually, if you're gonna buy it
There was
online, it's 28 crowns.
you want one? You want the pack?
Yeah, but apparently if you don't buy one, when you pick up these things, they just ask you if you want one. So I got it for free, this one. And then next is this one here. Yumsy. My God. I'm so happy. Tapos may dalawang ganito.
Why is that
Soya.
2 set of chopstick?
Yeah, because I said I told you it's for, but why 2? I told you have to say 3.
Why is that 2 and not only 1?
Because one is for you.
I'm not gonna use it.
Okay, then
It's because you're shy that you can eat so much.
No, I can't actually eat so much. And in my mind, it's like, I don't care. Like, if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat a lot. I mean, that's just the way it is now. I don't care about all those, you have to be this and that and that. I'm hungry, I'm
The
gonna
spring
eat.
rolls is actually decent.
It is good? Good. It's actually cheap if you think about it. 50 for how many pieces? 5 pieces? No, ito na nakastart na si Marty ng kain. Masarap daw. Love it. Then when we're buying in Vietnamese, how much is it? Like the spring rolls, do you remember? And it's just 3 pieces.
38.
38. And way smaller, right? This one is big. Cheers.
And remember to drink responsible.
Sometimes the beer also tastes really good. Especially now that it's warm here in Denmark. And then this one is super cold, so it's like perfect combination. So let's start with this one. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, alam mo yung feeling that sometimes when you're just so tired and because there's just so much things to do, you know, you get like that, and then you eat your favorite food, and then you get refreshed, and then you're, what is it called, then you are willing to, not willing, then you're like refreshed, and then you're able to do the things that needs to be done again. Yun yung power ng pag kinakain mo yung favorite food mo. Hindi ko lang gusto yung presyo, but then again, it's okay. Ganyan. Yumshi. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna, yung table namin guys, sobrang liit. Hindi pa talaga namin na, ang dami, until now, hindi pa talaga namin ma-arrange yung mga things namin is because we have so many things and so little space. Pero today now, that's the goal. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Wait lang, tingnan nyo. Yum. Kulang pa pala. I need some, I put the soya here, and then I need some wasabi.
What?
What is it called? Wasabi. Is it? Yeah, of course it's wasabi. But it got a lot of wasabi actually. Yumsy. Anyway, I'm ready. Put natin dito, and then it's so good. Oh, you're done with yours?
Yes. Apparently I was only allowed to have a snack.
Yeah, you're gonna eat later, right?
I'll eat some of the bread.
I know. So yun yung maganda guys. Martin, he doesn't eat sushi. So all the sushi is for me. Wala tayong competition.
As in none.
No competition at all. Everything for me. So good. Tapos kain natin ito. Sarap niya. Minsan talaga, it's so nice to like just spoil yourself sometimes. Don't you think? You want the raya though?
Oh, I don't want anything. Thank you.
This is the second kind of the sushi guys, pero I don't know what it's called. Pero tingnan nyo. Yumshi.
What kind of herbs is that on top?
Actually, it looks like onions actually.
Some pepper and
It's sesame.
look nice.
It looks nice and it tastes nice. I like it. They got a lot of this included. So good. Now it's like the 5 pieces is done.
Take the bags so we can throw them.
What bags? Yeah. Oh. Here. Thank you, darling. Try natin itong raya. It's so weird, guys, because I thought I'm allergic to... Okay, so continue natin. I thought I'm allergic to, shrimps and soya. Kasi I just felt na every time I eat these things, parang I get a lot of like allergic reaction. Yung parang yung skin ko nag-itch so much. And then sometimes I get bumps and everything. Pero nung I got tested by the doctor sa allergy test, apparently hindi ako allergic sa ganun. So maybe it's just all in my head. But I am allergic with grass. Ano pa ba? Yung pollen? Basta yung mga ganun. So, nag-sneeze ako, but I got a special medication for that, so it's fine. So, but I'm very happy kasi yun lang pala yung allergic things, basta yun lang pala yung dapat kong parang bantayan. But then, these things, I'm not allergic, so I'm able to eat it again. But let's see, maybe I will have a reaction later. Maybe the doctor is wrong. But it took some, like, blood samples and apparently yun yung result. So good. Okay, and chips. Now, we're going to eat. Kita niyo ba yung kinakain ko? Ganito. Kita naman. The big part. But everything of this is salmon. Salmon.
Hey.
Oopsie. I'm still gonna...
Because that's not enough now.
No, because that one is later. This one is already open, so I can just eat that.
Kill it out the later one. Yeah.
While I'm eating, Martin is cleaning up. Very good, very good. There. Oh my god. I don't think I can eat everything.
I don't think
Oh, we
you
don't
should
know.
eat everything.
I think I will eat everything. See? Yum. Ang lahat ng ito ay salmon, guys. Yun yung parang in-order ko. Kasi namiss ko talagang isda. Uy. We start with the small one. So cutie. Kita ko na naman. Love it.
And I hate it.
You hate it? I love it so much. And it's nice because the restaurant is just near the area here. Like in 5 minutes drive. Right? The best ever. In the whole world. Alam nyo ba guys, on the next weekend, today is Monday, so this weekend pala, we are going to attend a birthday celebration. It's husband and wife, Martin's best friend. The guy is gonna be 50 years old, and the wife will be 40 years old. And their birthday is like, like, ano tawag yun? Parang malapit yung date sa isa't isa, so they've decided to celebrate the birthday together. And dito sa Denmark, I think anywhere in the world, when you are having a birthday that's like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's like big celebration. But when I had my 30 years birthday, hindi ako nag-celebrate. Parang I just didn't want to have a party. Apparently, that's what's normal here. I think we just eat outside, right? On my 30th birthday. I don't remember having a party on that.
I didn't want to have.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, so we just eat outside. But when Martin had 40th birthday, he had a little party, with his friends and all that. But this time, we got invited 30 years birth, no, 40 years birthday and 50 years birthday together, husband and wife. So it's gonna be an exciting weekend because we're going to, starting Friday, we're gonna travel to another part of Denmark, but still in Denmark. Where's the place? Not in Newland.
Falster, tror jeg. Lolland, Falster. Lolland or Falster, I don't know where it is.
Yeah, but somewhere there, and it's far away.
It's in the south, most south part of Zealand. Actually, it's 2 islands below.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna be there. A big summer house. From Friday. And then the celebration will be on Sunday. Or what? Saturday. Is it?
Sunday.
Okay. So we're gonna drive there Friday. Saturday is like a free time. You can, just cozy with friends and all that. And then Sunday will be the big celebration. And then Monday we're gonna go home. And yeah, and so we're gonna be there together with other people in this summer house. So it's gonna be exciting. Seeing other places, and yung summer houses nila dito sa Denmark, guys, it's super nice. Like in cozy, and normally it's like big place, and there will be a lot of garden and ganyan. So this was happening this weekend. Super nice. So I'm just gonna be working tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days work, and then after that it's like a mini vacation. Grabe, sarap eh. Like I'm eating all the small ones. Dong, what is your most favorite food of all? That's like, if that's the only food you can eat for a lifetime. No, seriously.
I think it would be pizza. Because you can vary it so much.
Yeah, but that's actually smart, because if it's pizza, then you can put different flavors to it and all that. So it's
If
not
it's like a steak, it's the steak.
really.
Yeah, steak is good. You need steak a lot, but there's
No, but if
only
it's,
so many variation pizza that is unlimited.
yeah, that's right. But if you so it means you're gonna choose pizza if ever there's only one food you can eat
Right.
in your life. Okay. Actually, me, I think I'm gonna choose sushi. You know why? Because I got the rice, and then I can put whatever inside. So it's the same thing. It's the same, but you can choose different flavors. So I think that's gonna be the food that I will choose. Ang dami ko na nakain. Dagdag ko muna natin ito. Because I put too much. Then we put more here. And then, I'm starting to be full now.
And then stuff. You also gotta work a lot.
Yeah, I know. But I'm gonna eat 2 of this with orange, maybe 3. And then this with sesame, and then I'm done. So good. Look. What is that white thing there? Ah, okay. Sa camera lang pala. You know, down in Copenhagen, there is a Japanese woman is posting it in the expats in Denmark in the group that she's a chef. Okay, but if you want to learn
Japanese. The guy who broke across has been to a course with her.
really
Learning to make
to make what?
ramen.
Oh, okay. So did he learn?
Yeah, I think so.
So that at some point I want to do that. It's like there's a Japanese. She's really a chef and
I don't know
excuse
if it's
me.
her, but he's been on a course. Like,
Okay, but her business is like she can go to a party. She can go to a party if you're having like a private party here, and then you can invite her, and then of course you have to pay a certain amount for, let's say, minimum 10 people. She will teach each of those people like a little activity for the party, how to make food, and you can choose whatever Japanese food you would like to learn. It could be ramen, it could be sushi, and I'm actually thinking about that. I mean, I also love ramen, and I also love sushi. So I think those two, when I learn how to make it, then I don't have to. Okay, this one is so yummy. So when I learn how to cook it, then I don't have to buy. I just have to make it my own. So good. Ito din yung parang favorite beer ko dito sa Denmark, guys. Ang sarap niya. Like parang light lang ba? Pag sa Pilipinas naman, yung favorite na beer ko doon, yun yung San Mig Light. Kasi meron na silang mga San Mig Light with different flavors, mango, whatsoever. Pero hindi ko masyadong gusto ko yung parang original lang talaga, yung classic. Sarap nun. Imagine niyo yung sobrang mainit. Sobrang mainit sa Pilipinas, ganyan. Tapos, at the end of the day, inumin mo yun. Sobrang very cold. Oh my God, ang sarap. Kain. Oh my God, ang dami kong kinain, guys. So good. Dati yung ano namin, parang if I'm really craving for sushi, we're buying sushi from a different city. It's called Frederiksson. And that is like 30 minutes drive from here. So medyo malayo din. Pero this time, may sushi place na dito sa area namin. So, it's so convenient. Super happy. And, tapos may palitri sila na ganito. I mean, it's such a like small gesture, pero alam mo yung parang na-appreciate mo ba? Look, I remember when I was young, right? Yung elementary pa ako doon. Why am I speaking Tagalog with my husband?
yeah, why are you doing that?
Okay, no, when I was in elementary, I was like selling a lot of things, okay? It's like whatever I could sell. It could be candies, it could be whatsoever. And I remember selling something like this. You buy it from the grocery, some like a crackers thing,
And then fried.
and then you fry it, and then we pack it like this, and then we sell it. I was selling it with my classmates, and then I was also selling it with the other pupils. They call it pupils if you're like in elementary. Was selling it there, and at some point, my teacher called me in the office, And then she said, you are not supposed to be selling this because now you're becoming a competition sa canteen namin. You're becoming a competition in the canteen, and then the food in the canteen is not being so, something like that. And I was just a kid. I think I was like 10 years old. And then at some point they were like, but yeah, I got scolded a little bit. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna do it again. But anyway, I still do it, just secret. And then the teacher found out again. And maybe she realized it will never stop because what can she do, right? And then she offered me that if I'm not really gonna stop, like if it's something I really wanna do, then I can make an agreement with the canteen people, and I can sell this product through the canteen, and then they just have to, like, I don't remember how much was it actually. Let's just say 5 pesos, and then the 1 peso will go to them. So yeah, at some point we've been doing that, but it's like, I don't know, it stopped later on. I can't remember what happened, but I was doing that, so as a kid, like 10 years old, having an agreement with the canteen people, and then I was supplying them with my shrimp chips. Yeah, and I don't really remember the price, but let's just say 5 pesos, and then the 1 peso go to them, and the 4 pesos go to me. And of course, my mom was helping me, like my family was helping me about that. But as a young kid, I was already into those things, like selling whatever I'm selling. So the bite of this brings back memories. Na at some point, parang businesswoman ako, business kid. So good. My God, ang dami kong kinain, guys. And I'm not done. This is the last. This is not the last piece, but the last flavor, I think. I like that they give a lot of this also. Like that. And the wasabi is also a lot. So nice. Don't look.
We're done. That's
Almost.
breakfast, lunch tomorrow.
I think so. Actually, this is gonna be my lunch tomorrow. Because breakfast for me is just coffee. God. So good. Sarap. Okay, one last. And I'm done. Okay. Guys, I'm so done. Grabe ang ano ko na. So yun, ang dami ko nakain. This is the leftover. And I'm gonna eat it tomorrow, lunchtime. And then this one also. Sarap. Yeah, so yun guys, thank you. My God, wala kasi yung eyeglass ba, hindi ko sinuot, parang glary lahat. But anyway, then sana, na-enjoy nyo rin yung ating pagkain today. Nabusog ako sobra. Sana kayo din nabusog kahit nanood lang. But anyway, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.